Hey there, Heather Gennaro coming to you from the world's most beautiful beaches, Panama City Beach. So today we're going to be talking about the pros and the cons of living in Panama City or Panama City Beach. So stay tuned. So let's talk about the obvious, some of the weather here. We've got warm winters. I mean, it's Florida, right? So what does warm winter mean? Honestly, ladies, what we do is we wear just a long sleeve shirt. Yes, I actually am doing this in November, but I wear this shirt all year long. You can see that I'm in my, shorts. So we just wear long sleeve shirts, maybe jeans. We still have our flip-flops for the most part and our sandals all the way through till January. And basically January is the month that's the coolest. And I say cool because I haven't worn a heavy coat here in a couple years actually. Guys, most of the time my husband's just in a long sleeve shirt and some jeans. We also have sunshine all year long. I mean, Florida is the sunshine state, right? Again, let's go back to that January. That's pretty much the only month that doesn't have very much sunshine. It's pretty gloomy. So you know what? Pack up from the holidays, get the house in order, start planning for the new year, and just relax. Because in February, the sunshine and the activity starts all over again. Let's get in and talk about cons, because nowhere's perfect, right? And the elephant in the room, and the most obvious one everybody asks about, is hurricanes. So let's talk about this. The United States has a disaster zone no matter where you are. It's tornadoes, fires, earthquakes, hurricanes, and even snow. Right? And you can't control any of them. So for my family, this is the natural disaster that we have chosen. And here's why. Because hurricanes, you can run. You usually have warning, and you don't have to stick around and endure it if you don't want to. So let's be honest, if hurricanes destroyed everything every year, every 5 years, or even every 10 years, people wouldn't live here. And so that doesn't really happen. I know it's scary when you're from everywhere else and you just hear another hurricane, but honestly, Louisiana, I swear, Louisiana and Texas get hit more than we do here. So I hope you liked this video. There's so many great things about our area. If there's something you would like to know more about, a restaurant to see or highlight or anything, just put it in the comments below. Click subscribe, if I can spit it out, and hit the bell so you know when a new video comes out each week. I'm Heather Gennaro, helping you find your best beach life. Bye for now.